What's up guys, welcome to a new video. You all know that I always praise a healthy lifestyle, and I also believe that it can change your life completely to the better. That's why I want to show you in today's video 4 easy ways on how you can start a healthy lifestyle step by step and therefore become your best version possible. So let's start with the first way, which is prioritize your sleep. I would recommend to sleep at least 7 up to 8 hours a day. Trust me, it is so important in terms of your health, how you feel and look the next day. Plus it will also increase your productivity, your focus and your energy level as well. What I also recommend is having a steady sleep routine. You might already know that you have an internal clock. By having a consistent sleep routine, your body knows exactly when it is time to rest, so when you're going to sleep, and also when it is time to have energy, therefore wake up. So guys, definitely keep that in mind and you will see some major benefits. Quick bonus tip is also to not use your smartphone or laptop 30 minutes up to 1 hour before you go to bed, especially because of the blue light, which keeps you awake. If you can't implement this advice, I would recommend to turn on the night shift mode, which simply blocks the blue light on your phone. Therefore you can fall asleep much quicker and your sleep quality will increase as well. Number 2 guys, take your breaks or even meditate to balance your stress level. This one was a game changer in my life, especially in the last time. So as you already follow me on Instagram, you might know that I'm kind of a workaholic, so I love to work on my goals. Oftentimes I don't take enough breaks in between. But currently I realized that taking breaks and also meditation helped me a lot to increase my focus and also productivity as well. It also helped me a lot to cut off the unnecessary stress in my life, which is probably one of the main factors for causing inflammations and also a lot of health issues. Definitely make sure to have a best level by taking your breaks. I would also recommend to implement a 10 to 15 minutes meditation session into your life. I oftentimes do it right away in the morning after a short workout or before I go to bed. It helped me a lot to calm down, clear my thoughts and also increase my focus. Definitely try it out and let me know your experience with it. Number 3 guys, start a healthy and balanced diet. So guys, one easy way to start a healthy diet is by writing down all the foods that you already love and that are healthy too. For example, make a list of what kind of vegetables and fruits you love. Also guys, think about foods that you really love that are not healthy and look for some substitutes. Let me give you a quick example. You love to eat chocolate, but you also know that it's really unhealthy. Then replace your regular chocolate with a chocolate that has a higher percentage of cocoa, at least 70% or even 85%. The more the better. So guys, at the beginning you don't need to start with a 100% healthy diet. Start with 80% and add 20% of foods that you really love but that are not healthy. In this way it will become much easier for you to implement a healthy diet into your life step by step without falling back after some weeks when the motivation decreases. So definitely make sure to start step by step and later on you can also start a 100% healthy diet. Number 4 guys, implement sport into your lifestyle. You don't need to run to the gym every single day. You can also do any other kind of sport that you love, for example basketball, playing soccer, playing tennis. Just make sure to stay active. It is so important guys, not only for your health but also for your mood and energy level as well. I promise you guys you will feel 10 times better after doing some sport, so definitely make sure to implement this habit into your lifestyle. So no excuses on that and start implementing it right away. That's basically it for today's video. Those were my 4 ways on how you can start a healthy lifestyle step by step. Keep in mind guys, those are habits, so don't make the mistake by trying to implementing them all at once. Instead, start with the first habit, do it for 30 days and you will see some major differences. Then you can jump to the next habit and implement it as well. That's it guys. Make sure to comment below which habit you are going to implement at first. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.